what's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Y'all, excuse my blue tongue. Look at it. It's literally so blue because I've been eating Laffy Taffies and all kind of types of candy today. And I didn't realize what I was doing. I didn't think that it was gonna make my tongue look like this, but let's just ignore that. I'm gonna be showing you guys my very simple everyday makeup look. This is my go-to makeup look. So this is the makeup look I go for when I feel like I just wanna wear some makeup, but I'm not trying to be too fancy. So yeah, it's a very simple, very simple. It did not take me long at all. This took me, like, even with recording the look and everything, it took me like 35-40 minutes, and that ain't that long, y'all. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup look, and this is my first time posting a makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel. So you know, your girl is finally branching out. But yeah, guys, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep watching this video. Make sure you get subscribed, make sure you comment, make sure you like this video. If you have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to leave a comment. You can keep your negative comments. I only want the positive ones. But yeah, you guys, let's get straight into this everyday makeup look tutorial. Hi guys, so here I am with a fresh face. I don't have any products on my face right now. Well, I do have some moisturizer on my face from this morning when I did my morning routine, but I don't have any other products. So now I'm just going to take some Vaseline and put it on my lips so that they don't get all crusty and ashy throughout this video, and I'll just wipe this away once I'm finished with my makeup. The next thing I'm going to do is apply my primer. The primer I'm using today is the Doomy Luminex by Wet n Wild. This primer does have a tint to it, and I actually like that because I feel like it kind of like brings some life into my skin, and it does give my skin a smooth finish, so it's easier for me to apply my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the Studio Fix Fluid by MAC, and I'm the shade NW44, and I have a fresh brand new bottle here. This is like my favorite foundation right now. I'm just going to take my foundation brush. This brush is by Real Techniques from Walmart. I'm going to use this brush to apply even layers of my foundation around my face. So I apply one layer, I let it dry, and then I apply a second layer, and then I let that layer dry before I add any other products to my face. So while it's drying, I kind of use this time to do my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows after I put on my foundation because I always get foundation in my eyebrows. So I usually just do my eyebrows right after my foundation. So right now I'm just brushing them a little bit with this spoolie I got from Walmart. I'm pretty sure it's from Walmart, I think. And now I'm going to use my little, this is like 94 or 98 cents at Walmart, this eyebrow pencil. I'm going to use this to shade in my eyebrows. So I just start by drawing a line underneath and just dragging that line all the way throughout my eyebrows, following my natural brow pattern. So now I'm just shading them in, making them a little bit thicker, and I do kind of drag them out more towards my nose, and I continue to brush through with this spoolie to make sure that everything is shaded evenly. And after that, I like to apply a layer of my foundation using my foundation brush. I like to clean up my eyebrows using a layer of foundation instead of concealer because I feel like the foundation gives it more of a natural everyday look, and that's kind of what I'm going for here with this look. But I'm finished with my eyebrows for now, but I will return to them later because I do have one last step to complete. But now it's time to conceal, so I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Concealer and then this concealer by Clinique. I like to mix these two concealers together because I feel like they just give me like that perfect match. Because I bought this matte concealer and it just so happened to be like, it's not too dark, it just blends in with my skin. And then I had this Clinique concealer that someone gifted to me and it was too light, but mixing them together is literally like the best combination for me. So yeah, I applied them under my eyes. I applied quite a few under my eyes because I'm trying to cover up those hefty eye bags, and then I apply some on my nose, in the middle of my forehead, my chin, and on my cheeks to highlight, and then I allow that to dry a little bit before I blend it out using my beauty blender. I did wet this beauty blender earlier. I got this one from Walmart for about $5 or so. So yeah, I just go ahead and I blend out my concealer using my beauty blender. Then I go in with my fluffy brush. I'm sorry y'all, I don't know the names of these brushes, but I go in with this brush and blend some more before I apply my powder. So I'm going to be setting my face with this Airspun powder
that I got from Walmart. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply this powder, and I'm going to apply it everywhere, basically everywhere that I apply concealer to, which is under my eyes, on my chin, and just basically all of the areas of my face that I want to highlight. I'm just going to add this powder to those areas. And as I'm adding the powder with the beauty blender, I'm also using the beauty blender to blend the powder in, so I don't just let it sit on my face. I blend it in with the beauty blender because I feel like that helps it stay in place longer. So now to contour my face, I'm going to be using this here powder by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I got it in the shade 40. So I'm going to apply this powder to all of the areas of my face that I want to be darker. So like my cheekbones, under my chin is where I kind of want it to be more defined. And then I didn't like the brush that I was using, so I switched brushes, and I just continued to add this darker powder. So basically I just used this powder to contour my whole entire face. I contour my cheekbones, under my chin, and then my forehead to make it look smaller. Y'all like know how that goes. And then I use this smaller brush to contour my nose using that same exact powder. So once I'm done highlighting, contouring, and basically setting my face with those powders, I like to go back in with this fluffy brush. And so I like to use this brush in kind of like a circular motion to help blend those powders into my face, so everything, like, you know, settles in really well. Like, look at this, y'all. So now let's get back to my eyebrows. I use mascara on my eyebrows, y'all, to darken them up and give them, like, this literally makes them look more natural. So I literally, like, I cannot skip this step. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my lashes. And I do like to apply a layer of mascara to my false lashes because this helps to blend them in with my natural lashes. And I also apply just one layer of mascara to my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to use this NYX No Filter finishing powder on my cheeks. I bought this powder initially to use kind of like as a powder foundation, but it was kind of like too red to use as a foundation. And I realized, I don't know what made me realize, but I just realized that it looks really good on my cheekbones. It kind of adds like a little bit of color to my cheekbones and kind of just brings my whole look together. So yeah, once I add that powder, I go back in with this big old fluffy brush, and let me just take off that Vaseline off my lips. So y'all, to line my lips today, I'm going to be using the same 98 cent eyebrow pencil that I use on my eyebrows. That's from Walmart. This pencil to line my lips. I don't overline my lips. I tried to overline my lips in the past, and that just doesn't look right on me. So I just like line the natural line of my lips, if that makes sense. And the lip gloss I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. Y'all, I'm surprised I still have this lip gloss. I use it like literally every single day. And all it takes is one layer of this lip gloss and you are good to go. But this is the finished look. But now I just have to run and do my hair really quick.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I truly apologize about the lighting throughout this video. I'm sitting here trying to watch college football. LSU is beating Alabama today. They're not playing Alabama, they're beating Alabama, okay? Y'all know that I'm LSU alumni, so forever LSU and never Alabama. But yeah, y'all, so this is how my makeup came out. I love it. It looks really, really nice. Only thing is I'm not doing anything today, so I kind of just did this just to do it. So now I'm just sitting here with the full face of makeup and nothing to do. So I guess I'll just take some pictures, you know, just look cute for Instagram. Oh, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Terri Lynn Gibson. It's just my first and last name. My first name is pronounced Terri Lynn and my last name is Gibson. So go follow me on Instagram if you're watching this video. And also I wanted to mention my hair that I just have in this sleek ponytail. I did film this ponytail, so I'll upload this simple makeup look video along with how I do my sleek ponytail video at the same time. So if you're watching one of them, you can go and watch the other one. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave me a comment in the description box below. You already know. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.